Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to talk about the iPad keyboard and how to disable the mini keyboard. This might happen to you already. If you see a small keyboard that you can drag around, it means that you have activated the mini keyboard by pinching the regular keyboard. To return to this original size, simply reverse the gesture by pinching outwards. This is not really a setting you can turn off completely. Alternatively, if you do not like using gestures, you can hold down the button on the lower right corner to switch to the floating keyboard. If you have the floating keyboard, you can hold down on the globe icon to switch between languages. However, with the mini keyboard, you can only use the pinch out gesture to return to the original size. So if you're wondering how to completely disable the pinch gesture and prevent the mini keyboard from appearing, there isn't an option to do that. Just avoid pinching the keyboard or you'll accidentally activate the mini version. And that's everything I wanted to share you in this video. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.